Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add text onto your site in Squarespace. So let's get right into it. This is a very simple process that you need to do. So let's just go over it really quickly without any beating around the bush. Now, as you can see, I'm on my site's main page. However, I'll go over into this page, which literally just has the text called test right on it, and I'm going to be adding text to this page right over here. So to add text, what you're going to want to do is click on edit in the top left once you're at the page that you want, and in this case I'll just edit the section and I'm going to remove the background image just to make everything a bit clearer. And now once we have our page, you should add a section if you don't already have one. As you can see, I already have one section, and to demonstrate what that looks like, just click add a section, add a blank section in this case, and now we have a blank section where we can add blocks, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to click on the add block button in the top left, and as you can see, you have a text block which you can enter. You can resize this to any size that you want, and then you can just double click to start writing. You can add any sort of text that you want. I'll just add test 3 times, select the text, I'll just make it bold as an example, and as you'll see, the text will be smaller in size by default, and there is no font size option here on this toolbar. However, you do have the scale text option, which will scale it to the entire size of the box that you made. Now, if I scale this down, of course, it's going to scale down to the text as well. So as you can see, you can modify the text size like that, and you can just make it or resize it across the grid however you want, and it does depend on mostly the horizontal size of the box, how big the text is going to be. So yeah, as you can see, that is how you add text to your site on Squarespace. Then you just click save, hit exit, and you're done. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.